Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to force quit applications on Steam when they become unresponsive or frozen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Windows search bar. Click on it to activate the search function. This is your gateway to accessing system tools and applications quickly without navigating through multiple menus. Once the search bar is active, type in Task Manager. This powerful utility gives you full control over all running processes and applications on your computer, making it essential for troubleshooting frozen or unresponsive programs. As you type, you'll see the Task Manager app appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to launch the application. Now that Task Manager is open, you'll see a list of all currently running applications and processes. Scroll through the list until you locate Steam. Once you've found it, right-click on Steam to reveal a context menu with several options. From this menu, select End Task. This action immediately terminates the Steam process, forcing it to close regardless of whether it's frozen or stuck. This is particularly useful when an application becomes completely unresponsive and won't close through normal means. Here's something important to note. Steam is typically configured to automatically relaunch after you end the task. This is a built-in feature designed to ensure the application stays running, so don't be surprised if you see it pop back up shortly after closing it. However, if you want to prevent this from happening, you'll need to fully exit Steam through its system tray icon. To do this, navigate to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and click on Show Hidden Icons. This is the small upward-facing arrow that reveals background applications running in your system tray. Once the Hidden Icons panel appears, look for the Steam icon among the displayed applications. Right-click on the Steam icon, and from the menu that appears, select Exit Steam. This ensures that Steam fully shuts down and won't automatically restart, giving you complete control over when the application runs. And that's it. You've successfully force quit Steam and prevented it from auto-restarting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.